Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a new video of a figure drawing. uh, in a previous video I made a gestural block drawing something, but at this time I made a compositional figure with some sketchy effects and with some movement, because remember one thing guys, any kind of drawing you are doing in any kind of surface, just do some extra efforts to create some sketchy lines, because in that way the drawing look so much real, the drawing looks so much authentic and so much sketchy, and it brings a little life to the drawing, in the drawing, because you use any kind of medium, acrylic, oil, pencil, charcoal, watercolor, every time remember one thing, make some sketchy effects to the drawing, because it looks and it makes the drawing so much real and so much effective. So in this process I am going on. So, if you copy your drawing, or if you having a reference from a picture of a drawing, don't be shy to get in a reference, because it's not a huge mistake in to get a reference with some picture or something. You should get a reference, because first of all you don't have any kind of compositional sense in your head, so don't worry for that. Take some reference, some photograph, but whenever you draw the picture on the board, on the surface, make something new. Make something new what makes your drawing so much different from others, because in that way you have your own individuality in your work. So that is the most important thing I would say that, because whenever I draw or work, every time I just put this idea on my head, because it is not that way you have to make a different, because in that thinkability you doesn't have any success. If you do your 100%, do your drawing with your 100% involvement, then you automatically developed a new character in the whole world. So it's depend upon you. Look around yourself, suggest yourself some new things, getting some photo references, getting some great masters composition. So in that way, in all that way, they are really helping us to develop and create something new and create this amazing drawing or something. So that good I say. I mean, you guys can do that. So thank you guys, enjoy the vlog. So thank you guys, enjoy the video.